Hi, this is Ned from Voices Heard Media, and today I want to show you a brief overview of your Voices Heard Media account. The first thing you want to do, of course, is log in to our web-based admin with the username and password that we provide for you. The first thing that you will see is your channel. Now, we organize our events much like a TV show does. You have a channel. Within that channel are a variety of shows, and each show is made up of a series of events, just like a TV show is made up of a series of episodes. So, here I am at the channel. I want to go to my shows. You can see I've already got 3 shows. Let's say I want to create a new show. It's very simple. I click New Show. I give it a name. I can also put in a Twitter handle if I want this to be tweeted every time I create a new show. And there we go. It exists. Now let's say I want to create a new event within a show. Let's say I want to create a new video poll. So I have a video poll show conveniently. So I'm going to click Events. I don't have any events at this point. That's okay. All I do is click New Event. And I'm taken to our new product portal. You can see here are all of our products. We have 8 of them currently. So I find the one I want. Well, I think I said I wanted a video poll. So I'm going to go down here and select Multimedia Poll. I hover my mouse over it, and sure enough, it gives me a description. That's what I want. I click that icon. Okay, now it takes me to the event creation field, and it tells me which information is required by these little asterisks. If I have any questions, I can click over here on the help file. Let's just call this subtitle. Link back URL, of course, this is what I want to put so that when my users share my content, it brings them back to the page that the poll is sitting on. Event details, this is where I can put a bio or pictures or just a longer description of what I want users to do. Start date and end date, this is pretty self-explanatory. Users can only submit content during the show, during the event, so it has to be after the start date and before the end date. This is the basic information that I need. I can add additional information if I want to by clicking Advanced Settings. And again, this asking role, that tells me who can actually submit the content. In this case, the users can. Here I can enable or disable comments, enable or disable voting. You can see over here we have the status of each of these. The status can be open, closed, or auto-closed. If it's open, that means comments are currently being taken. If it's closed, comments are not currently being taken, but they're still visible. And auto-close means as soon as that end date appears, the comments will close. Same thing for voting. In this case, it's a multimedia poll, so it pre-selects require media submissions. This means users have to upload a video if they want to submit content. Moderation, in this case, moderation doesn't really matter because since this is a multimedia poll, it automatically requires full moderation. Correlation, of course, we'll keep that enabled. Monitor emails, if I want to be notified via email every time a user submits something into the app, this will send me an email notifying me of that with a link to actually moderate that content from my email or my smartphone if I want to. Vote cap, if I want to limit the number of submissions that a user can vote on. Let's say I only want them to vote on only one. They get 1 vote. I can do that, or I can let them vote on their favorite 5 submissions. Again, submission cap, I can limit the number of videos that a user can upload. You know, if I want to, I can say, okay, you get no more than 2 videos uploaded. Down here, social network sharing. Of course, I want my users to be able to share their content over Twitter and Facebook because that's going to drive users back to my page. Same with email. Advertising. Hey, we got to make money, so we want to allow this to serve ads. Of course, if for some reason I don't want to, I can unclick this and no ads will serve. Now, if you have any questions about any of this stuff, simply click on the question mark icon and a help file will come up and it will provide you with additional information. As always, if this is not enough information or if you have further questions or any feedback whatsoever, you just let us know. But I'm going to go ahead and finish creating this event, and this is how I do it. I'm happy with the way I've set it up. I'm going to click Next in the Product Portal Wizard, It's going to provide me a confirmation screen giving me the summary of the information, and I'm going to click Finish. Now I have a preview of what my app looks like. I can change the size and shape. Let's say I want it 500 by 400. Click Preview. It will show me my new event right here. Let's say I want to change the color. Let's say I prefer red and black. Click Preview. There it is. When I get the app looking the way that I like it, I simply scroll down here and I copy this script in the gray box and I paste it into my web page. That's all there is to it. Again, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact me, ned@voicesheardmedia.com, and we look forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks.